let's make shin shin. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Let's make shin shin, guys. I'm already taking my measurement of everything. Okay. Ooh. This is my flour. This is my sugar. Then I'm going to be taking some nutmeg. Nutmeg. Then I'm going to be taking my canna powder. Then I'm going to be using my herb. I'm going to be using my butter. I've already taken all the measurements. Then putting some milk. Relaxing for great white. Boom. We have done making our shin shin. Wow, this is beautiful, isn't it? Look at our shin shin. Okay, I want to start another baking. Thank you so much for watching this wonderful